So today I brought the guys up to Wilsonville, Oregon to go for a ride in some go-karts. We stopped by the Family Fun Center. It's called Bullwinkle's Family Fun Center. I gotta hand it to Darren and Josh. They did a great job. They found a dipper that knew what he was doing, that cared. I mean, it's amazing. I couldn't find him. I spent a week doing it.
It took my breath away. I couldn't believe it. It's like Mark Warman complimenting me. I think it'll be a great, fun time and experience for everyone.
Am I gonna win?
I don't care who wins as long as it's not Mark.
I'm hoping to beat Mark.
I think the rookie will pull through.
There's no second place, so whatever.
I'm excited, but I'm cold. It stopped raining finally. It's Oregon weather.
Number 23, please remove your helmet. Number 23, please remove your helmet. Once we had got up there and it was what I call go time, that's where I like to leave a lot of the comedy and the jesting behind. When I see a green flag or a green light, I think it's performance time. So I drop the hammer on the cart.
The race was a blast. It was a lot of fun.
Finally, the guys realized they would never be able to catch me because of my keen driving skills. So they decided they would kind of gang up against me and start bashing into me, maybe make me get into a wreck or something.
I hope they let us back. There was some signs on the back of the cars that says no bumping allowed. I think we did everything but that. I thought it was actually going to be a race, but it pretty much turned out to be a destruction derby.
The no bumping rule was not enforced really heavily, but I would say they pretty much ignored it the whole time. Yeah.
I put people into the wall many times. That's what my purpose was out there.
Well, it was a lot of fun. We had a great time out there. Cheeks were a little rosy. I dusted everybody off. The only way they could beat me was to actually harpoon me in the side and spin me out. I think Cindy Brady is the first one that did it, and then the rest of them kind of jumped on board. I think everyone was leading the ones.
So if I had to pick a winner, it would have been Josh. Yeah, Mark probably won't like that, but that's okay because it's the truth.
The guy running the place named Tom, awesome dude. Man, he just rolled out the red carpet for us. We felt like celebrities there. Opened up the video arcade area to us, which I did pretty good at. Let us have at it. We had lunch in Bullwinkle's restaurant. Awesome food. We really had a great time up there.